good morning everyone. We shall wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. Am I audible to all? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we shall wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. Just wait for 1 minute so that other can join. After that, we will start our class. So we are starting our class. Is my screen is visible? Is my screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to start the complex integration. So first is Cauchy's theorem. For Cauchy's theorem, here it is given that let fz be an analytic function. Already we know that what is the analytic function. For analytic function, we know that it follows the Cauchy-Riemann equation and the four partial derivative ux, uy, vx, vy, they are continuous and it follows the Cauchy-Riemann equation. So here fz be an analytical function and f dot z is continuous at each point within the domain D bounded by a closed contour C. Then contour integration, this is the sign of integration with the some C, and here is a circular path. This is the notation of contour integration. fz dz is equal to 0. It is given by the Cauchy. Fz be an analytic function and f dot z is continuous at each point which is the domain D bounded by a closed contour C. Then contour integration fz dz equal to 0. Then the value of the integration must be 0 when this D is entirely lies on that C, contour C. Now after that Cauchy's theorem, there are some changes is coming. Gauss coming with Cauchy's, and then they have given the another theorem that is called the Cauchy-Gauss theorem. Cauchy-Gauss theorem says that let fz be an analytic function within and on a simple closed curve. Look at here in the previously in Cauchy's theorem it was given that only within, but in Cauchy's Gauss it is given that within and on. That means it is analytic on the perimeter also. A simple closed curve C, then the total integral value is equal to 0. It is given by Cauchy and Gauss both. So here the difference between Cauchy's theorem and Cauchy's Gauss theorem. In case of Cauchy's theorem, the domain, the given function fz was analytic within the domain. But in case of Cauchy's Gauss, it is within and on. On means the boundary point also. Clear? Now there are three formulas are given by Cauchy's. Number one, contour integration dz by z minus alpha equal to 0. If C is any simple closed contour and z equal to alpha is an exterior point of C. What does it mean? If we say that this is the our C, contour C, if the point z equal to alpha is situated here, that means outside the contour, then it is called the exterior point. Z equal to alpha is called the exterior point, right? Then the value of the integration, contour integration C fz by dz by z minus alpha will be given 0 when the z equal to alpha is an exterior point, that is not within the contour C. If it is within the contour C, z equal to alpha, then it is called the interior point. What is given in the next problem? Contour integration C dz by z minus alpha equal to 2 pi I if C is any simple closed curve and z equal to alpha is an interior point of C. In this case, the value is formula 2. For this case, value is formula 1. And now the third case is given contour integration dz by z minus alpha whole to the power n, that will be 0 for n equal to some natural number where z equal to alpha is an interior point. If z equal to alpha is here, again it is the double point, double interior point, triple interior point, that is z minus alpha whole to the power 2, z minus alpha whole cube, z minus alpha whole to the power 4, then also the value of the integration will be given 0. Is it clear? These three formula are given by Cauchy. So according to this three formula, we have to remember this three formula. 2 for the interior point. When the interior point is the single interior point, then the value is 2 pi I. When the interior point is double and more than double, then the value is 0. When z equal to alpha is an exterior point, then also the value 0. So when z equal to alpha exterior point given 0, when z equal to alpha interior point of some power either than 1, then also 0. But when it is simple interior point z minus alpha, then the value of the integral equal to 2 pi I. Is it clear? Which are the interior point, which are the exterior point? So now we shall take some examples so that we can conclude the given problem. Now look at here, evaluate the evaluate the integral in contour integration C z by z square minus 25 dz on the circle C such that mod of z minus 1 equal to 2. It is given. Now we shall make the circle. Mod of z minus 1 equal to 2. We know that z equal to x plus iy. We know that z equal to x plus iy. So we are putting the value of z here. Then taking the real and imaginary part together, then it is x minus 1 plus I into y equal to 2. So when we taking the to avoid the modular, we have to take the square of this. Then we got that x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 2 square, which is nothing but a equation of circle whose center at 1 comma 0 and the radius is 2 units, which is written here. So for the given circle, center at 1 0 and radius is 2 units. Now here let us consider that fz equal to this, fz equal to z by z square minus 25. So it can be written z by z plus 5 into z minus 5. Now we can make the partial fraction 1 by 2 1 by z minus 5 plus 1 by z plus 5. So if we put z minus 5 equal to 0 and z plus 5 equal to 0, then we got the 2 points z equal to plus minus 5. So these are the points on the circle. These are the point with respect to the circle which we have to make the integration. Now we are make the circle here. The 1 comma 0 is the center and 2 unit is the radius. So it will be minus 1 comma 0 and it will be 3 comma 0. But this z equal to 5 comma 0 is here and z equal to minus 5 comma 0 is here. Both of the points z equal to plus 5, that is 5 comma 0, and z equal to minus 5, that is minus 5 comma 0. Those are not within the circle. So both of the point at the exterior point. So by the formula number 2, the value of the integral should be 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we are using the formula number 2, formula number, actually it is formula number 1. Both at the exterior point, na? Okay, so for the exterior point we know that the value of the integral should be 0. Now we are taking another example where it is the interior point. Look at here, evaluate the integral contour integration C 4z minus 9 by z into z minus 3 dz, where C is a closed contour containing 0 and 3. That means this closed contour containing 0 and 3, that means they are the interior point. 0 and 3 in its interior. That means z equal to 0 and z equal to 3, both are the interior point. So if we put that denominator equal to 0, then we got z equal to 0 and z equal to 3. So here alpha equal to 0 and alpha equal to 3. Both are the interior point. So at first we are let that fz equal to this. Now by the partial fraction method we can write down this equal to 3 by z plus 1 by z minus 3. 3 by z plus 1 by z minus 3. So contour integration 4z minus 9 by z into z minus 3 dz, it can be written that 3 into dz by z minus 0 plus contour integration c dz by z minus 3. Now for the first one, it is an interior point. Here the points are z equal to 0, 3, which are interior points of C. So by the formula 1, that is 3 into first part, it was the 3 into, for this the value is 2 pi I, for this also the value is 2 pi I, but here is 3, so 3 into 2 pi I plus 2 pi I, that is 6 pi I plus 2 pi I, that is 8 pi I is the answer. Is it clear?
सर पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन कैसे करेंगे सर, जो पहला वाला किए 4z minus 9 को तोड़े सर.
Right? This 4z minus 9 can be written 3 into z minus 3, that is 3z minus 9 plus z in upper half. Can you write this?
Yes sir.
Then we can write that 3 into z minus 3 by z into z minus 3 plus z by z into z minus 3. So here this z minus 3 cut, so 3 by z plus z cut 1 by z minus. Now it is clear?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So after that we are taking the integral. So here both z equal to 0 and z equal to 3, both are the interior points. So according to the Cauchy's formula, it will be given 2 pi I. This is also 2 pi I. Here 3 is given, so 3 into 2 pi I plus 2 pi I, that is 8 pi I. Is it clear?
सर यहाँ फॉर्मूला 2 होता ना सर, फॉर्मूला 2 होता ना.
हाँ
फॉर्मूला 2 होता ना सर.
हाँ फॉर्मूला 2 होगा, ये फॉर्मूला 1 नहीं, पिछले वाला फॉर्मूला 1 था, ये फॉर्मूला 2 होगा. ठीक है. Now we are going for another example. Look at here, evaluate 2z plus 1 by z into 2z plus I whole square dz on the circle C such that mod z equal to 1. So at first we are making the circle mod z equal to 1 means z means x plus iy, that is x minus 0 whole square plus I into I minus 0 whole square, that is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 1 square. So the circle is the center at 0 0 and radius 1 unit. Now we are putting that z by 2z plus I equal to 0, that gives z equal to minus I by 2. Minus I by 2 means z equal to minus I by 2, right? So z means x plus iy. So it can be written 0 into x plus I into minus half. So if we take the coordinate, then the coordinate is 0 minus half, right? X comma y. This is equal to 0 comma minus half. Now as the center 0 comma minus half, that is, and for the given circle, it is a circle whose center at 0 0 and radius 1 unit, and this point is minus half, so it is the in y-axis, so it is within the circle, isn't it? If this is the 1 comma 0 and this one is minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 0, then this point is 0 comma minus half, 0 comma minus half, that is the point. So this point is the interior point. Is it clear? This point is the interior point on the given basis of the circle. Here also we are making the partial fraction fz equal to 2z plus 1 by z into 2z plus I whole square. It can be written in the part 1 minus 1 by z plus 2 by 2z plus 1 plus 2 by 1 plus I into 2z plus I whole square. In partial fraction we can write down this. So if we put 2z plus I equal to 0, then we got that z equal to 0 comma minus 1, which is a point lying on the C. Again z equal to 0 in the center of the circle, so it is also interior point. Look at here, if we put z equal to 0, so from here we got one value z equal to 0, another value z equal to minus I by 2. Here also minus I by 2 comma minus I by 2, but it is the order 2, it is order 1 and it is order 1. Z equal to 0 is the pole of order 1 and z equal to minus I by 2, that is also pole of order 1. Both are interior point of the given circle C. So for these two parts it will be given. Look at here, so this is equal to minus 1 is coming here, so dz by z plus 2 is coming here, dz by this plus 2 into I plus 1 is coming here, control integration C this. So it is the multiple order, so this part will be given 0, but these are the interior point and the single order. So minus for this 2 pi I, here it is 2 into for this one only pi I, because of that look at here dz by 2z plus I. So if we take common 2 from here, then half will be coming out here, then z plus I by 2, then half into z plus I by 2, that means z equal to minus I by 2, which is the interior point. So half is coming here. For this one it will be coming 2 pi I, so half into 2 pi I, it is coming pi I. So we are putting here minus 1 into 2 pi I plus 2 into pi I plus 2 into I plus 1. This for this one it will be given 0, as it is the multiple order, order of 2, so this part is 0. So from here it will be coming minus 2 pi I, for this one it is coming plus 2 pi I plus 0. So minus 2 pi I plus 2 pi I cut, so it will be coming 0. That's the result. Is it clear? There are three kind of the examples for three formulas are given. This is here we are using the formula number 1 as well as formula number 3. Because of that z equal to 0 is interior point, so we are using formula number 1. Z equal to minus I by 2, that is also interior point. For that we are using formula number 1. But z equal to minus I by 2 comma minus I by 2, here it is the double point, so we are using the formula number 3. Is it clear? How to check the given point within the circle, whether it is interior point or exterior point? Hello? Am I audible to all? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then we are going for the next part. It is Cauchy's integral formula. Previously it was Cauchy's theorem, but here it is given Cauchy's integral formula. Cauchy's integral formula says that if fz is analytic within and on a simple closed curve C and alpha is any point within C, alpha is any point within C, then f of alpha is equal to 1 by 2 pi I contour integration C fz by z minus alpha dz. So value of function of alpha, that is f alpha, equal to 1 by 2 pi I contour integration c fz by z minus alpha dz. This is given from the Cauchy's integral formula. Now this Cauchy's integral formula can be extended to the successive derivation of analytic function. If fz is analytic within and on a closed circle, closed curve C, then the nth order derivative of fz, that is fnz, at any interior point alpha of C is given by fn alpha equal to factorial n by 2 pi I contour integration C fz by z minus alpha whole to the power n plus 1 dz. So we have to remember these two. If we take n equal to 1, then we got the first order derivative, then it will be coming f dot alpha equal to 1 by 2 pi I contour integration C fz by z minus alpha whole square dz. For 2 it will be coming z minus alpha whole to the power 3. Is it clear? So these two are the formula. On basis of these two formula we have to find out the problem. Can we take some example?
Yes, sir.
Evaluate contour integration C e to the power z by z plus 1 z plus 2 z plus 1 into z plus 2 dz, where C says that mod of z minus 1 is equal to 4. We have to find out the value of this. So here solution, what is the value of fz? Here value of fz is equal to e to the power z, which is given into the numerator, that is the fz. Which is analytic. Within and on, within and on the circle mod of z minus 1 is equal to 4. Mod of z minus 1 equal to 4, which is the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 square. No? So center at 1, 0, radius 4 units. Now putting denominator 0, we got, putting denominator 0, we get, what should we get? Z plus 1 into Z plus 2 equal to 0, which implies that Z equal to minus 1 or Z equal to minus 2. Right? So both are the interior point. The center of the circle at the 1, 0. If we take that, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The center 1, 0 and radius 4 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the radius Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. The circle will be like that. 1, 2, 3. So our circle is like that. Now the point z equal to -1, that is -1 comma 0. That is -1 comma 0. This is one point, and -2 comma 0. This is another point. So both of the points are the interior point. Is it clear? Both of the points are
Sir.
interior point. So now 1 upon z plus 1 by z plus 2. It can be written in the form of 1 by z plus 1 minus 1 by z plus 2. So from here we can write down that contour integration C e to the power z by z plus 1 into z plus 2 dz. This is equal to contour integration C e to the power z. This can be written as z plus 1 minus contour integration C dz by e to the power z. There also 1 dz e to the power z dz by z plus 2. Both are the interior point. So it is 2 pi I into f of alpha minus here also interior point 2 pi I into f of alpha. Because of that, from the Cauchy's formula it was given that f alpha is equal to 1 by 2 pi I into contour integration C fz by z minus alpha dz. So from here if we find out the value of C fz by z minus alpha dz, then it will be given that 2 pi I into f of alpha, isn't it? So here alpha equal to fz is given for first one. Here the alpha equal to -1, so that is 2 pi I into f of -1 minus 2 pi I into f of -2. Here fz equal to given that e to the power z, so f of -1 equal to e to the power -1 and f of -2 equal to e to the power -2. So put the value of this, so we can take common 2 pi I, then it will be coming e to the power -1 minus e to the power -2. So that's the answer. Is it clear? fz is taken here e to the power z, so f of -1 equal to e to the power -1 and f of -2 equal to e to the power -2. So from the Cauchy's formula it was given that f of alpha is equal to 1 by 2 pi I into contour integration C fz by z minus alpha dz. So if we multiply by this, then we got the value of the integration contour integration C fz by z minus alpha dz. This is equal to 2 pi I into f of alpha. We are written here when both of the point are interior point from Cauchy's integral formula. Here both of the point, that is z equal to -1 and this is the z equal to -2. Both are the interior point of the given circle. So we can write that 2 pi I into f of, actually we can write here alpha 1 and alpha 2. Alpha 1 and alpha 2. If we take that alpha 1 equal to -1 and alpha 2 equal to -2, that is f of -1 minus 2 pi I into f of -2. We are putting the value of this, then we got the result. Is it clear to everybody?
सर ऊपर सर
हाँ, कहाँ पे बोलो?
fz is equal to ez which is analytic, वो
हाँ.
कैसे लिखे सर?
fz is analytic ना? fz means actually e to the power x plus iy ना? fz equal to this u of xy plus I into v of xy. We can write this. So it can be written that e to the power x and e to the power y both are the continuous. It possesses the continuous derivative. Ux can be written from here na? What is
Yes
the
sir.
value of e to the power x? iy into e to the power x plus iy na, ux as well as uy is equal to I into e to the power x plus iy, as well as we can find out the vx and vy, all are the continuous, so we can write this. So it is the analytic and it will be follow the Cauchy-Riemann equation also, so it is analytic. So each and every time the contour will be given to you. So according to the given contour you have to check whether the, if we put the denominator equal to 0, then we got 2, 3 or 1 point. We have to check that whether it is interior or exterior. If it is exterior, then the value is 0. If it is interior point, then we have to use this formula, right? 2 pi I into f of alpha 1, 2 pi I into f of alpha 2. If here 2 points are given, if 3 points are given, then 2 pi I into f of alpha 3. Then we have to find out from fz value of f of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Is it clear? Now we are going for next problem. Evaluate contour integration C z square plus 6z minus 1 by z minus 4 dz. If C is number 1, the circle mod z equal to 5. Number 2, the circle mod z equal to half. So if we put this, so here z equal to alpha equal to 4. Circle for the first one, solution number 1. C says that mod z equal to 5. That means it will be given that x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. So it is a circle whose center at 0, 0 and radius 5 units. Now the point z equal to 4. Z equal to 4 means 4, 0. This point obviously within this circle, na? As the radius is the 5 units, so 4, 0 within the circle. So 4, 0 is the interior point. Is it clear? Interior point. So by the Cauchy's formula, it will be given that contour integration C z square plus 6z minus 1 by z minus 4 dz. Let fz equal to z square plus 6z minus 1. So f of here point alpha equal to 4. So we have to find out the value of f of 4. That is 4 square plus 6 into 4 minus 1. 16 plus 24 minus 1. That is 39. So contour integration C z square plus 6z minus 1 by z minus 4 dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of 4. That is 2 pi I into 39. That is 78 pi I. Is it clear?
सर z is equal to alpha is equal to 4 कैसे आया सर?
z इक्वल टू अल्फा क्वाचिस थ्योरम में क्या था? नीचे में fz by z minus alpha. So here alpha equal to 4 ना. Now we have to find out that whether this 4 within the given circle or not. Here the 4, as the circle radius is the 5 unit, center at 0 0, so 4 comma 0 within the circle. From the coordinate geometry we can easily prove that it is the interior. As it is interior, so the value of this integral will be 2 pi I into f of 4. If z equal to this, f of 4 is equal to 39, so 2 pi I into 39, that is 78 pi I. This for number 1. For number 2, z equal to half. This is also interior. Z equal to 4 is the mod z equal to half. Number 2, see such that mod z equal to half. This circle is x minus 0 whole square. That means it is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to half square. So center at 0 0 and radius is half unit. So if we say that this is the half, this, but 4 comma 0 here, this is the point 4 comma 0. This is the exterior point for this circle, na? For this circle 4 comma 0 is the exterior point. Then the result of the integral is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
For the given mod z equal to half, then when the circle is mod z equal to half, with respect to that circle, the point 4 comma 0 is the exterior point. So by the Cauchy's theorem, it is given 0. Now tell me if there is any problem. These are the integration. So next day we are going for the zero singularity of an analytic function and residue theorem. Right? After that there are some problem of this. Then we are going for the conformal mapping, and which is given our problem, and Mobius theorem. And then our complex variable will be completed. Mobius theorem and conformal mapping. Up to that, then our 4 and 5 unit will be completed. After that, we will start the double integral and triple integral. It is not yet completed, na? Double and triple integral. It is not yet completed, so we have to complete this one. After completing this complex variable, we are going for that. Now tell me if any problem you have got here, then I can give you the solution. For the second one, it is understood. When mod z equal to half, then the point 4 comma 0 is the exterior point, so the value of the integral should be 0. So we can write here as 4 comma 0 is an exterior point of the circle mod z equal to half. So contour integration C z square plus 6z minus 1 by z minus 4 dz. This is equal to 0. This is the answer for number 2. From here to here. This is for the second part, and this is for the first part. Is it understood, clear cut? So
Yes, sir.
same problem depend upon our given contour. When the contour is given mod z equal to 5, then it is interior, then the value is 78 pi I. When the contour is given that mod z equal to half, then the point is exterior, then the value of the integration is 0. So value of the integration depend upon the given contour, right? Which contour is given. According to that contour, with respect to that contour, we have to find out the value of that. Clear? So there is no, actually we know that for complex it is path independent. It is path independent. Value of the integration should be changes here. Same integration, when the contour is changed, then the value of the integration also changes. Isn't it? integration is given same, but when the